In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the heating element on a Beko oven. Before you begin, make sure that the appliance is isolated by manually tripping the breaker that feeds your appliance on your RCBO or RCD circuit breaker panel. This video is for educational purposes only. Always unplug devices before working on them, and copying anything in this video is done so at your own risk. Firstly, you just want to open the door and push the release catches on both sides. Then you can lift the door off. Then you can remove the shelves from inside, locate the screws holding up the element guard. In this case on my oven there's 4 screws. And then with that off you can see the element, and on my model there's 1 screw holding it in place at the front, as well as the 2 screws either side of the oven that hold it in place to the cabinet. You can then pull the oven out, and then at the back of the oven you'll find more screws to unscrew, which once you've got them all off will allow you to access the back panel. You need to do this on the Beko oven to gain access not only to the spade connectors that slide off the contact points where the electricity goes, but either side there's also 2 screws holding it in place from the back. So you need to first remove those spade connectors and then unscrew it, and where the screws are, it's surrounded by this insulation material, and it's very easy for the screws to fall into this or fall down the side, so you need to be really careful. Once that's all disconnected, it will simply pull out. You can then just push the new one in. Ideally you're going to need a hand from someone else, because even if you screw in 1 screw at the front first to kind of hold it in place, you basically can't see what you're doing. So you need someone else to look in the oven, line the holes for the inside screws, and then once you've got those screws in, you just put everything back together in the reverse order. So you're going to put your spade connectors in, then you can do the back of the oven, blah blah blah. And in this last clip I'm just showing you that it works. Of course, when you do it, you want to put the guard on first before you turn it back on. If this was helpful, please give the video a like, and cheers for watching.